Sound is a collision of air molecules. It has amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, intensity. Intensity, for example, is the distance in which sound travel.
Fascinating phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with
induce, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take, if you put a have to take psychopathology, power psychology.
What did you do with Jeff?
You have to take stuff like precognition.
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirror projection.
Waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this